Magandang umaga mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, June 21, 2024. Time check. Uy, bago yung relo 7:18 ng umaga. June 21, 2024 here in Wellington, New Zealand. Yung gas na gagamitin ngayon ay si 5740 with registration plate number NJC 995. It will expire on January 18, 2025. So, let's engage the school signs. Morning! Oh. Jesters, all good. Missing one. And all damage, which is normal na lang yan. Jesters, all good. Jesters, all good. Damage. So, this one is all good. Damage. Yeah, damage. Brand new tires, Bridgestone, recap. I think that is just recap. Bridgestone tires. Uso rin pala yung recap dito. Now ko lang nalaman. That's all good. And yeah, yun. Sinipag yung tagawalis mga Katimbol Vlogs. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. All good. And okay. So that's all for the video bus vlog for today. Paalam.